Most dangerous snake in the world. Number 6. Saw-scaled vipers. They possess hemotoxic venom, causing symptoms like swelling, pain, and tissue damage. Saw-scaled vipers have a stout body with keeled scales along their sides, resembling a saw. They are typically small, reaching lengths of about 30 to 70 centimeters. They feed mainly on small mammals, such as rodents, as well as lizards and other reptiles. Their venom helps immobilize and digest prey. Although not as potent as some other venomous snakes, their bites can be medically significant.